How to turn on off restricted mode 2023 simple. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to turn on or off restricted mode 2023 simple. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. Just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's just head over to our YouTube app. So let's head over there. And once we're in there, we just need to click on our profile icon right here. And from in there, just scroll until you can see the settings. So click on settings right there. And from in there, you can see all the settings right here. So if you head over to general, you will see all of this. But when you scroll down, you can see also the restricted mode. So basically, restricted modes helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, but this setting will only apply to apps on this device. So if you turn this on, you can do so by clicking on this right here. And once it turned blue, then that just means that it's already been turned on. And when you click on that again, and if you see it like that it is grayed out, then that just means that it is turned off. So the same setting applies when you do it on your computer because it is applicable on all devices that you have. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to turn on or off restricted mode 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.